In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new template in Copilot settings. Whether you're enhancing productivity or organizing your workflow, mastering this skill can make tasks smoother and more efficient. So let's dive in and transform your Copilot usage to a whole new level of convenience. To begin, you'll want to open your Copilot settings. Start by navigating to the main menu of your application, where you'll typically find a gear icon or a settings tab. Opening your settings page is like unlocking the command center for your Copilot. Here, you can adjust your preferences and make the tool truly your own. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this area, as it holds the key to configuring various elements that enhance your user experience. Once you're comfortable with the settings dashboard, move on to select the option labeled Create New Template. This feature is your gateway to customizing how your templates work and look. It might be a button or a link prominently displayed on your screen within the settings area. Engaging with this option shows that you're ready to construct something specifically tailored to your needs. By initiating this step, you set the stage for a more personalized and efficient workflow. Next, you have the opportunity to define the template content and formatting. This is perhaps the most crucial part of the process. Here, you get to decide and input exactly what you want your template to have. Think about the information or documents you frequently use. What structure do they typically follow? You might have sections for titles, headers, bullet points, or space for images. Consider the format too. Whether you need bold text for headings or italicized notes for emphasis. This step is all about creating a blueprint that serves your unique requirements, so take your time to outline everything comprehensively. After configuring your new template, with the desired content and format, the final step is to save it for future use. Look for a Save button, often located at the bottom or top corner of the page. Clicking it will ensure that all your customizations are stored and easily accessible whenever you need them. This is where your efforts come full circle, giving you immediate access to a tool that automates part of your workflow with just a few clicks. With that, you've successfully created a new template in Copilot settings. Each time you need this particular setup, you'll save valuable time by not having to recreate it from scratch. This streamlined process not only enhances productivity,